Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And as you know, on this channel it's all about Toyotas and Toyotas only, and we have a newcomer here, new car. It's a 2004 Toyota RAV4. This is my friend's car and I'll be filming a lot of videos on it, so let's start with a basic. Let's go and check engine air filter. And they just bought it, so that means it's my first time opening this hood and looking inside. There was a ton of leaves everywhere here stuck, so I started with that I vacuumed that. But let's go back to our engine air filter. And on this engine, which is the 4-cylinder 2A ZFE, it's located here, right inside of this air box. Toyota did great design on this, right? And it should be extremely easy. So there are like hinges on this side, and on the other side there are two clips, 1 and 2. And if I disconnect them, I'm able to move this forward, right? It starts opening. If I want to take it apart, I do this, and let's go look at it. This seems to me brand new engine air filter. So our inspection, it's excellent, right? We did a great job. Now we know that it's in perfect condition and how you put it back, right? So again, you pay attention to the detail. This is how it goes back. Now I will start here in these hinges. So I will introduce it over there inside. Pay attention to the detail. Right, now it's going there. Perfect. The clips, and 1 and 2. And that's basically it. We are done. As you can see, some stuff it's very easy and everybody should be able to do it themselves. Thank you for watching. Be subscribed because more is coming soon. See you later, my friend.